Alright guys, so today we're doing a unboxing of the irrigation kit for the Ready Go Garden system. Okay, so I just want to take a look, see what we've got. First thing here is we've got the setup guide, and that's going to have all our instructions and say what we've got, basically what the contents are of the base kit. So we'll take some of these out and just take a quick look. So I'm just going to walk you through the major pieces. I would say the star of the show is this right here. What we're looking at is the irrigation timer. So this connects to your hose spigot, but then it allows you to still attach a hose. So yeah, this is the hose adapter, then this is the timer itself, and this runs off of a battery, which luckily is included in the kit. Let's see how to take this off. So battery goes in there. So this flips up, and so this is how you control the system, and this is what makes it kind of plug and play. So this right here, it's basically your dial for how often you want the kit to come on. 6 hours, 12 hours, once a day, once every 2 days. And then over here is how long you want it to run for. And this is in minutes, so that could be 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. So a lot of different options here, but you basically just move these dials where you want them. And then down here at the bottom, this is where the main line will come out of. So this is what's going to lead to your garden. It's really a big step up from hand watering, which is so labor intensive, and you forget to water a few times, next thing you know, you're not a gardener. We do have a little instruction manual for the timer. Even though it seems pretty simple, it's always good to have some instructions to refer to. All right, the next item we have, this is called the 3/4 inch poly tubing. So a nice long roll of it here. So the poly tubing is what's going to go from that output of the timer over to your garden system. So I'm excited to check that out. And this right here is called drip tape. Okay, so the thing about drip tape is this already has little holes in it. This connects to the big main line. The instructions tell you how to put holes in that. And so from there, yeah, like these little nozzles are going to go into that. And from there, this is actually what does the watering. So the water comes out of little holes that are in this tape, and this tape just lays on top of the garden. All right, now we've got a little baggie here. So these are being called wire staples. So this holds the drip tape. So as the drip tape is going in the bag, this goes around it and helps keep it in place. So that's how that goes. And you got enough of them so that you're kind of putting them throughout the garden, throughout your bags to hold in the drip tape. It comes with a little utility knife, so that's nice. That's for making the holes in the bags. We're calling this a hole punch tool. So this is what's going to make the hole in the poly tubing, and that's how we get the drip tape into the poly tubing. Here's that handy battery that it's very convenient that the kit comes with, so we appreciate that. One last thing we have here is the setup guide. So in case you get lost or this is like, I'm confused, we've got this here. So it's got everything from laying the garden out, setting the irrigation system up, So that's basically it. Just walks you through every step you need, from the timer to the poly tubing to the drip tape, and finally it says here, ready, set, plant. This kit will guide you on how to set up your system if you have these bags on the ground, which is one of the many strategies for it. On YouTube, you'll find the video for how we set up the bags on the table, so that's just another way to do it. But that's the last thing that's in the kit. Eventually, you're going to want to plant something in there. You get to pick your own seeds, but these are the ones that I picked, just some greens that I'm interested in trying out. I've got spinach, lettuce, spearmint. So I know a lot of people have been curious about how this whole thing works, and that's just a quick look at what's in the box. But check out our YouTube channel at Urban Farming Education, and you can see a video where we set up a kit that has 16 bags in it in a backyard. And we also have one where we're setting up a 4-bag table kit for people that just want to give it a shot. You know, that's the base kit, we call it. So check it out, and you might want to give it a try yourself. It's a pretty cool kit.